Right, hello, the engine's still got oil in it because it just comes straight out of the car according to the previous owner. I just cracked a 21mm underneath and put an oil pan there. So we'll just see how much is in it. There's our drain plug. Magnetic. Not very much sludge on there at all. Very light, no big bits of rubbish. That's good. And it looks like that pan is just big enough to hold all the oil, thank goodness. Right, now we're going to remove this plate for the oil pump, and in that little cross plate there, these are not, shouldn't be that tight. I did try these before you came just to make sure they come undone, and they weren't very tight. There we go. And there is your oil pump, which looks lovely and clean. No signs of any scuffing on the face of the pump either. So that's good. In fact, that's very good. Right, so our little plate beneath that now. Before I take the cases apart, I'll just remove the oil filter assembly, which is held by two Allen headed bolts. Get it out of the way while I think about it. So now we need to start undoing our case nuts. So whilst we're down here, we've got a couple there. It should be 11mm, if I remember rightly. Here we go. Tell you what, I'll move that round and give myself a better angle of angle rather than strain. There we go. Got another one there, another one down there, so I'll try and get that one off and then spin the case again. Mini spanner. Another one down there, but I'll leave the engine again. Then we have one down the front. And another one here. Right. So, on this right hand side, oh, the oil pump's all that on there. Right, I've got these last two big bolts, 17mm head. I just cracked them before I turned the camera back on because it's easier than watching me struggle. Now, I think I've got another couple of bolts in here. Which are tight. There we go. There we are. Once they're cracked, they're not tight at all. Right, so everything's out. I'm going to lay it down on the right hand side, prop it up and split the casing. Let's just give it a gentle exploratory tap, shall we, and see where we get up to. I think that's it. What have I forgotten? Let me just turn you off and I'll have a quick run round and see what I've forgotten. Right, I can't find anything I've forgotten. So it must just be the cases are a bit tight. So we'll have to gently try again. This is not good. Okay, I'll turn you off again and try and investigate further. I'm pretty certain I've not forgotten anything, but it doesn't seem to want to shift, so I'll bring you back in a minute. Right, it's gone. I was being rather too tentative. So I used a wooden block. There's a raised section here that you can just get a piece of wood on and hit it with a metal hammer this time, and it opened. So we're okay, things are moving. So now I need to move the lights and see if we can get this half off. Still not exactly falling off, but you know, it has moved. Gently, gently. Right. We are sticking at the bottom. Let's see if I can see what's going on. Right, I'm going to have to move you again to get this out of the way, sorry. Right, sorry for having to keep moving you about, but I've got to keep running round from side to side because this is not proving as simple as it should be. This should separate easier than it is doing, but it's slowly coming now. Slowly, no. It's got to be stuck on the dowels or on the bolts because it hasn't moved for a long time. If ever. We'll find that out when we get inside. Gently, gently. We're so close now. So close. What's holding it down here? Come on, old girl. The crank's in the right position, top dead centre. Come on. There we go. Oh, thank goodness, there we go. At last. Right, let the crank down very gently. Hoorah! Finally. Right. Still plenty of oil in there, so let me just bring you round. There's your crank. There's your cam followers, which are in lovely condition. No marking on them at all, really. your oil pickup, which is the plate outside, so that can just come out and be cleaned. Again, it's in very good nick. There's nothing, there's a little bit there, but nothing very much at all. Nice and clean. And in our main bearings, which don't look too bad at all either. And then if I turn you very slightly, there's still plenty of oil in there, sadly. I'm going to lift the crank out, and we have our rubber seal here. Can you see that? Let me just double check so I'm not wasting your time. Yes, you can. Right, there's our seal. But that doesn't want to come out. There we go. Crank seal rear. The crank seal front here as well. But, oh, come on, crank. Yes. I think the seal might be holding it in. That's awkward. Let me try and just gently get it moving. I think it's stuck in the case. There we go, very gently. There we go. Right. So hopefully the crank will now lift out. There we go. Yes. Excellent. Right. Our tappet followers will come out like so. I will keep them in their respective order. And that, apart from draining the oil out the bottom, is pretty much that. Everything looks pretty good. No big scuff marks on any of the bearing surfaces. They're slightly discoloured, as one would expect. But nothing, nothing nasty, that's for sure. So a right good clean up, get rid of the remains of this old gasket goo, and that should be okay. And then in our other half, we have our cam. It's still inside, yes. So there's our cam lobes and our oil pump housing. And again, whoa! And again, I'll check and show you after cleaning, but that just looks like discoloration. I can't see any pitting or anything on them at all, which is good. Makes me happy, especially after our oil cooler fiasco. Right, so that's it for our strip really. I mean, the cam's got to come out and the followers have got to come out. I'll do that now. It should just come. Right, the oil pump housing is preventing it from moving at the moment. Come on. Right, let me turn you off and I will endeavour to loosen that side. Hold on 1 second. Right, the oil pump housing was stuck in the case, a bit of crud there, which was stopping it lifting. So that can go to one side for the minute. Then our cam should just lift out, which it does. And then our two followers, which again look to be in nice condition. And there doesn't seem to be any marking on any of these surfaces, which is good news. Very good. So, that's it for this video. I'm going to clean up all the cases, degrease them, flush everything out, and then I'll have to order a gasket set, and we will go through each component and inspect it, draw up a shopping list, and then put it back together. So that's it for the moment. Thank you for watching.